6:48 and a beautiful sunrise. Check out this view on this Wednesday morning. It's going to be a nice day ahead of us. We're calling it a weather-aware day. That's because in the overnight hours after you go to bed, there are some storms that come through and they really change the place.
Yeah, it's really weather-aware for a 12-hour period from late tonight into early Thursday morning. So it's going to be when most of you are asleep. So that's why we want to make sure that we tell you about it now, because there will be the chance for isolated severe thunderstorms, and the window really begins around 10 o'clock tonight, lasting through around 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. We'll cover the details in just a moment, but just for the time being, just know that through tonight, you're going to want to have a way that you can stay up to date with the weather. In the meantime, it's a beautiful morning. This is the view from News 5 Studios looking to the west. We are seeing clouds increase from the west. That will continue to be a trend, and by this afternoon, it will be a mostly cloudy sky with a slight chance for a shower, but in Orange Beach, the clouds haven't arrived yet. Just a beautiful sunrise with the Alpha Insurance camera network at Perdido Pass. That's nice. 47 degrees in Mobile, 43 degrees in Fairhope, 52 degrees in Pensacola, 40 degrees in Jay, 36 degrees in Evergreen. So we have temperatures ranging from cold to chilly to cool, and I've said that all morning. And it really goes to show that we have temperatures starting off in the middle 30s in some spots, upper 40s in others, and temperatures in the 50s near the coastline. At the coastline, winds are out of the southeast, and that's helping it be just that little extra bit warmer this morning. And by this afternoon, the wide range in our temperatures will go away, because this afternoon, most of us will be in the upper 60s to near 70 degrees, which is about 8 to 10 degrees above seasonal averages. If you're a fan of warmer weather, I'm going to encourage you to get outside today. It's going to be a little while before we have warm temperatures again. We'll talk about that in a few minutes. But for today, during the daytime hours, it's a 30% chance that you're going to need your Green & Phillips umbrella. As we move into tonight, that rain chance will only increase, and from 10 o'clock tonight through around 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, the rain chance right around 100%. So a look at the bigger picture. High pressure continues to move away to our east. Winds are out of the southeast. Clouds are moving in from the west. And our cold front that will be moving in tonight is currently moving through eastern Oklahoma. And that's what's going to be moving through tonight through tomorrow morning. So we'll begin the forecast model and stop at around 6 o'clock this evening, and you will have seen through the afternoon clouds will continue to increase, winds will be out of the southeast, maybe just a few spotty showers here and there, so it's only a 1 in 3 chance that wet weather finds you during the daytime. As we move into the nighttime, though, that rain chance will continue to increase, and this forecast model is showing the bulk of the thunderstorms ahead of the cold front arriving around 1 o'clock in the morning Thursday morning in our northwestern communities. But keep in mind, these forecast models typically lag behind us a little bit, so these thunderstorms could be a little bit farther east. They could be a little bit farther west, which is why we're going with the window beginning around 10 o'clock tonight. But we'll continue to fine-tune this timing as we get a better look at the thunderstorms as they develop later on this afternoon. 4 o'clock in the morning, the forecast model showing the thunderstorms being along and just east of the I-65 corridor. Again, they could be farther east, they could be farther west, just depends on the timing of all of this. And then by 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, most of the thunderstorms will start to be moving away from Okaloosa County. Our winds will start to switch out of the northwest. A few lingering showers will be a possibility from mid-morning through the early stages of the afternoon, but most of the rain comes to an end through the afternoon as our skies clear. And as our skies clear, it is going to turn cold really quickly. But with the thunderstorms ahead of the cold front, severe weather is possible. The entire News 5 area included in a marginal risk level 1 out of 5, a small possibility, but a possibility nonetheless. Jackson County and George County, you are included in a slight risk. That means scattered severe storms are a possibility. So breaking down the details that you need to know, I've talked about this window quite a bit, but the timing looks to be about 10 o'clock tonight through 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, when most of you are going to be asleep, which is why you're going to want to have more than one way to get notifications in case the weather does get rough in your neighborhood. Not a guarantee we're going to see severe weather, but that potential is out there. And the main concern would be the potential for a brief tornado and damaging straight-line wind gusts in excess of 60 miles per hour. After that cold front moves through, you are going to notice significant changes. That daytime high on Christmas Eve in the upper 50s, that's really for the early morning, because in the afternoon temperatures will be in the 40s, and we're going to wake up on Christmas morning with temperatures in the upper 20s, upper 40s by the afternoon. But with the strong northwest wind, it's going to feel even cooler. So this is the forecast wind chill. Temperatures tomorrow morning before daybreak in the 60s. Tomorrow afternoon, wind chill values likely going to be in the 30s. And then wind chill values by Christmas morning could be in the upper teens and in the lower 20s. After that cold front moves through, you're going to want to make sure that you have layers and a bunch of them. For today, really not going to be too bad as temperatures will be in the upper 60s, lower 70s, a 1 in 3 chance of rain during the daytime. Then we'll be weather aware late tonight through early tomorrow. Then we just turn cold during the daytime tomorrow afternoon. Upper 20s for our Christmas morning, upper 40s in the afternoon. Cold again for Saturday morning, but temperatures will be a little bit warmer for your Sunday and Monday.
Now.